Howdy, folks. Jeff Camarda. It is Wednesday, June 10th. Only, what is that, 11 days away from the summer solstice, longest day of the year, after which, of course, daylight will begin to recede until a few days before Christmas. Not that you cared, but anyway, I noticed it. In any event, another down day on Wall Street. Not dramatically down. You know, the media makes a lot of hay about these micro movements sometimes just to stir interest in their journalism, but down nonetheless. And it's especially noteworthy, I think, given the accommodating noises out of Fedland today, that they don't plan to raise interest rates till 2023. That's an awfully long stretch. And I discern in those particular tea leaves the fact that they expect the road to recovery to be much longer and a much tougher road to hoe, as it were, than a lot of folks think and hope, and certainly the market has priced in. Right, so a lot of, the market is in many ways priced for beyond perfection. It's trading at levels that really were somewhat stretched last year when the economy was rocking and rolling in 2019, and now it's really had the knees kicked out from under it, and will struggle, just to get back a fraction of the economic vitality and profitability that we had last year. But the market's about the same level now, but it doesn't have the profitability and economic underpinnings. And most of that is beyond speculation, as I discussed yesterday, just, bald-faced hope that we will see a V-shaped recovery. But the Fed's, again, I read into the Fed's comments of keeping rates, extremely low, way low, zero low for 3 years, to say it's going to be a long time before, things get better, as you probably inferred yourself. So that's it on market news. It does look apparent here in Jacksonville, Florida. We'll have the dubious privilege, apparently, of hosting the displaced Republican National Convention from Charlotte, which is not, I guess, willing to guarantee a lack of social distancing. Apparently Jacksonville is. I haven't really seen any news on that. But gee whiz, here in Jacksonville, I'm just concerned that kind of extreme and somewhat unsober events is probably going to bring more COVID to my neck of the woods that I'm excited about. Politics aside, it's just not the healthiest development for my community. But those of you, many of you listening, of course, in Jacksonville might want to take heed of that. My understanding is that will occur in August. In any event, that's enough for this evening. Best to you all. By the way, Kim and I and the boys will be running the boat next week and be away for probably 2 or 3 days. I expect to have full internet capability and to be able to report by video. That's less than certain, though. So if I miss a few days next week, please forgive me in advance. And until next time, thanks so much for watching. This is Dr. Jeff Camarda signing out.